Gather your materials and follow along to create this custom desk calendar. You will need a foam dice set, a mini jenga game, glue, paint, matte vinyl, transfer tape, and ribbon, twine, or a flower to decorate. I also have attached a link below. There is a very important diagram that you will want to follow at the end of that post. The first thing to do is paint your dice. You want to do 2 coats of paint to cover the dots completely. For the base, I use 8 blocks across the top and bottom and 5 blocks on each side. Lay out the 4 sides and glue the blocks together with your glue and allow them to dry. Once dry, attach all 4 sides using more glue to make a box and lay it on its side to dry. I use my cutting machine to make the numbers. They are about 1.5 inches tall. You can cut these out by hand, but the machine makes the process easier. For the months, you need 6 blocks front and back to put all 12 months on them. The months need to be 1/2 inch tall and no more than 1 3/4 of an inch wide. Once your box is dry, you will need to add a center block. You will also need to add 2 blocks at the top to hold the month block. There is a specific order that the numbers need to be placed on the blocks or it won't work. This is where you want to refer to the link below. For block number 1, you want to use the number 0, 5, 1, 2, 3, and 4. For block number 2, you want to use 0, 8, 1, 2, 6, and 7. I decided to keep mine as its natural finish, but you can make it your own by painting, staining, or adding any decorations you choose. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.